Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send voice messages on Discord PC. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure Discord is completely closed. Go to your taskbar and right-click on the Discord icon. Select Quit Discord to ensure the app is fully shut down. Next, open your internet browser and go to vencord.dev. This is a free extension for Discord that lets you send voice messages. Click on the Download Vencord button, choose your operating system, and download the Vencord installer. Once the file is downloaded, open it and click Install. The installation should only take a few seconds. After installation, open the Discord app again. Go to User Settings in the bottom left corner. From the left panel, find the Vencord section. Click on Plugins, type Voice in the search bar, and scroll down to find the Voice Messages option. By default, this is turned off, so simply toggle it on. Now, go to the conversation or server where you want to send the voice message. To record, click on the plus icon at the bottom and you'll see an option to send voice message. Click it to start recording your message. Once you're done, hit stop recording. You can adjust the volume or re-record if needed. When you're happy with it, click send. So that's basically how you can send voice messages on Discord. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.